Hi everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And as you can see by the title below, I am doing an unboxing of a bag, guys, that is just so gorgeous. The first time I laid eyes on it was in early July, not in person, but I was in Atlanta. I'm just jumping right into it, aren't I? I'm not even taking a deep breath. I hope you guys are doing well out there, but welcome to my channel. Okay, now back to the store, to the Coast store to get some hot stamping done. And the essay there, Alex is at the Atlanta Lenox Mall Coach store, and he was my essay, and he was so fabulous. And he says, I told him that I was an artist, and he says, oh, really? He says, well, we have this new line coming out in September that I think you're gonna love. And it's Coach has done a collaboration with this artist, Kaffe Fassett. And so I was like, okay, I'd like to see it. So he pulled them up on his little iPad, whatever you wanna call it. And so he showed me, he said, now these have not come out yet. They're not coming out. They're not gonna be released until September, but I wanna go ahead and give you a heads up so you can see, and then maybe I can, I will pre-order you one if you'd like. And so we were looking through and browsing, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, that's the one, I've gotta have it. And with me being an artist, I'm into collecting works of art. And to me, this is just a utilitarian work of art. And so I was just like so overjoyed and fascinated. He says, well, I'll contact you when we can order them for you. So he actually placed the order before they were released online, and it came in the mail yesterday. And so I'm about to do that unboxing, and I'll tell you more about the artist, Kaffe Fassett, in just a moment. Actually, let's go ahead and look at some clips of him, and then we'll come to the unboxing, okay? So be right back.
Hello, I'm Kaffe Fassett. One of the great things about working with your hands and making things is making something for someone, particularly someone you love. That's always a given, that if you make a beautiful sweater or a necktie or whatever for someone that you have a lot of feeling for, that's great. But to make a commission for somebody who wants it, and their house, where it's going to go, that's a very, very exciting thing, because in a sense you're adding to the decoration of a room. You are part of architecture, so it takes it into a wholly different realm. And of course I love it. I mean, it's like you're building a window in that room out into this fantasy world that you're creating. So it's a very exciting thing to do.
So that was the artist that collabed with Coach for various designs on their bags. And so now we're about to open the Marleigh Satchel, guys. I'm so excited. And do I have any other artists out there who can understand my joy? Or do you just love purses and you have an appreciation for that as well? So here is the box. This is just so up my alley. But there are so many unique things about this particular bag that I like that I just had to get it, and I'll tell you why. La, la, la. And I did splurge and treat myself, because I look at this as just like, a collection piece, and I just want to have it for years to come. So here is the box. I love sharing in the joy of other people's unboxings too. So if you're one of those people who likes unboxings, yay, right? This is the receipt. And here is just a little card that says, thank you for shopping at Coach. Yes, yes, yes. And I just love how they wrap their things. That is just the joy of doing an unboxing, the beautiful packaging. Isn't it, people? I just love it. All right, so la 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 la, the unveiling, the heart. La 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 la. Oh, I'm so excited. And here it is, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so we'll put this aside as well. And this is the bag. Oh my goodness. And like I said, this is called the Marleigh Satchel. Oh, it is so gorgeous, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I love the size because I only saw it online. And of course, I didn't really pay attention to the measurements. I was looking more at the aesthetics of the bag, the shape of the bag, and just those beautiful details of the bag. Wow. And I think if you, I don't know if they have this particular one online. I'll show you in the split screen what I saw just the other day that they had online. I think this one's sold out right now, but I'm sure they'll probably restock. But they do have other Marleigh Satchels. I'm gonna take all of the stuffing out. They do have other Marleigh Satchels, just like I'm showing you in the split screen. Beautiful, beautiful bag. Very roomy on the inside. Very well stuffed indeed. I got all the stuffing removed and kind of shaped it up a little bit. This bag is so gorgeous, guys. We're gonna have to take a really close-up look at this bag. It has the 5 brass feet on the bottom, and it has this like patent leather piping in this like rose color, or just kind of taupish rose color. It is so beautiful. And the flower design, the flowers are kind of raised up on the surface. It's very well branded, and the strap is substantial, very thick, and I love how the strap is with the open little rivets or holes right there. Really beautiful. And I just absolutely love it. I like the dome shape and curve of the Marleigh Satchel, and it has the little tag there. And let's take a look at the inside of the bag. Oh, I love it. It has the gussets. It has a suede interior, guys. Beautiful suede, like deep, rich plum interior. And it has a zip slip pocket on the inside, and it has the gussets on the side so you can expand it and open it. I can actually see them making like a little mini backpack out of this version. This would be cute as a backpack. And what I really love about it is their new like logo. It spells Coach, so you have the C, the O, the A, and the CH. Just a really nice design for that logo. I'm gonna let the camera do the talking and give you some close-up visuals on this bag, guys. And so we'll zoom in on all of the things that I really like about the bag. And then I will give you some mod shots and style it for you. But I am really just loving this beautiful bag, and I can't wait to begin carrying it. So let's take a look at it and then get those mod shots. Be right back. The Marleigh Satchel is inspired by bowling styles from the 1950s, reimagined for today. It's crafted of gloved tan leather featuring a deeply hued maximalist print by renowned textile artist Kaffe Fassett. The rounded silhouette features luxe piping trim, luggage top handles, an interior zip pocket for organizing essentials, and is finished with polished metal Coach retro graphic. Carry by hand or attach the crossbody strap for versatile wear. With a unique sense of color and a drive to create, Kaffe Fassett is internationally recognized for his half-century of work in the decorative arts, needlepoint, patchwork, knitting, painting, and ceramics. Traveling the globe, giving lectures and workshops, the multimedia artist's complex designs can be found in museum collections all over the world. This bag has a zip closure, a suede lining. It's made of gloved tan leather. It has handles with a 4-inch drop, and it has a detachable strap with 28 3/4 drop for shoulder or crossbody. It measures 9.5 inches in length, 9 3/4 inches in height, and 6 inches in width. It's also available in other sizes. The style number is 78441. rich, vibrant colors against the black backdrop of this bag, I think is what makes this bag a stunning bag and very versatile. I chose to go with the blues in the bag, so I just went the whole monochromatic look with the blue on blue jeans, with the blue sandals, and I think you can do this with the shades of greens and purples that are in this bag, and of course it would look stunning with black. So this bag is just overall a really well thought out design, very beautifully made. Well guys, thank you so much for tuning into this unboxing of the Marleigh Satchel with the Kaffe Fassett print on it. I absolutely adore it. It's a work of art. I would recommend it for anyone. The handles are just substantial. I absolutely love them. Very well branded, coaches just on everything, and I just love this bag. It's a stunning bag. It has some weight to it. It's very substantial, and I like the fact that you can carry it as a top handle or as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. So many different styling options. I definitely recommend this bag if you're an artist, if you're just an avid admirer of art, if you just appreciate design, if you're a purse collector, I recommend this bag. I love the shape and design. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I just want to get a dialogue created. Coach is really doing it up. I really love their quality, and I think they are the bomb.com, and this is definitely worth the investment. I'll know I'll have it for years to come. Thank you so much for tuning in, and also be sure to check out Bag Hound's videos. She also got something from the Kaffe Fassett line. She got a card holder, and it would go perfect with this bag, so I might eventually get the card holder because it was very, very reasonably priced. So thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and I'll leave links to Kaffe Fassett videos so you can check more of his videos out, and I'll leave a link to Bag Hound's video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you, and as always, remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you because he truly loves us so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.